Alright guys, today we're going to be installing this kill mat sound deadening pads. We're going to be installing them in the floor and in the doors. I'm going to see if this really works or not because I have my thoughts about it. So yeah. First things first, you're going to want to clean up your floor. I doubt yours is going to be dirty as mine because you're going to have your carpet and stuff. But you don't want any dirt like underneath the pads. You're going to want your floor to look kind of like this and not like that. I decided to go like that because it's going to be like the best formation there's going to be for me. It's going to look like that kind of. Alright, while you're putting it on, you're going to want to pop all the bubbles you see with the roller. And for the edges you can't get with the roller, you can use your little thing here. And if your truck has like any type of hump like this, the best way I found is to pre-form the mat before you install it. For the bolts, where you put the mat over the bolts, you can use a screwdriver and just pop it right through. Look, you could just take the screwdriver and just pop it right in. Alright, I can already tell a little difference when I'm banging on the floor. Also, I forgot to mention that this comes with 34 sheets and it will protect 36 square feet. Already with 4 mats, it's covered more than half of one side, so I think I'm gonna have a little bit extra to do the roof or even the back seats. To take this door panel off, there's gonna be one bolt there. You pop this off, just put a screwdriver in, another screw right there, and there. After you unscrew all of that, you're gonna want to pull the panel towards you and then pull up. To remove the window control here, you're just gonna want to pop these off. And to remove this, you're gonna want to put a screwdriver right there and pull. After that, there's gonna be this cable right there for the light here. You just pull it out. To remove the speaker right there, there's gonna be 3 10mm there, and there. You're gonna want to pull out that cable and you just pull up the speaker like that and it comes out. Alright, when you're gonna install the mats or the sheets, you're gonna want to clean off the area where you're gonna install them. I'm using some purple power. It's working really great so far for the dirt and stuff. I have a lot of dirt inside the door because I have those holes. I'm missing the trim on the outside, but as you can see, I already installed one. It looks pretty nice and it covers the holes that I need. Alright, so I ripped off the paper and I cleaned everything off. I just don't like that paper. It doesn't really help for anything. I'm gonna put back the speaker on and the door panel and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, I can tell a difference between the bottom where I put the mats and the top that doesn't have any. Have a look. Alright, next up is removing the seat. It's only 4 bolts. I'm gonna clean up the area and install the mats. So that the driver's side, it's fully completed. The floor is complete now. I just need to do this door and the rear door. Alright, so I'm done. I fully installed everything. I installed it on the door and this one. I had a little bit extra. I'm gonna install more in that passenger door. I'm not gonna put any on that door because it's crashed. Like, I'm gonna replace it. So I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and wrapped up.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.